Okay, we're on the record in the court's announcement docket that's set for 9 a.m. on today's of May 12th of 2021. Is County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. Our first case that we're going to call is cause numbers 328810 and 328812. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Weston Brian McKnight. We have Mr. McKnight appearing via Zoom. Mr. McKnight, how are you doing?
Pretty good.
Okay, Mr. McKnight, you're there with your attorney, Mr. Mel Shalander. Mr. Shalander, how are you doing?
I'm okay, Judge. Thanks.
That's good. Mr. Shalander, you have an announcement that you would like to make in Mr. McKnight's cases?
Yeah, I just got the DWI videos yesterday. I'd like another opportunity to view them and view them with him. So we could reset it for 30 days or whatever court wants to do, but just a short resetting to look at the videotape.
Okay, just hold on. We'll get you a reset. Just hold on a minute. What's the date? Okay. The case is going to be reset to June 23rd of 2021. Mr. Shalander, your reset will be sent to you. And Mr. McKnight, please stay in contact with your attorney. This will conclude your cases. Your case is reset to June 23rd, 2021. You were excused and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Shalander, I think this was your only two cases that you had with us this morning. So
Yes,
you were
sir.
excused as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
We're on the record in cause number 328560, the state of Texas versus Brent Allen Landry. Mr. Bailiff, would you please go get Mr. Landry?
Your Honor, Jesse Brandon here for Mr. Lane.
Okay, yeah, you can come forward.
Thank you.
We're on a record in cause number 328560, case of style of state of Texas versus Brent Allen Landry. Mr. Landry, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Landry? Okay, just continue to hang, like they say, hang on, don't hang up, okay? Now, Mr. Landry, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Jesse Brannick. Mr. Brannick, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, sir.
That's good. Mr. Brannick, you have an announcement that you would like to make in Mr. Landry's case?
Yes, Your Honor, we would like to plead not guilty to the question.
Okay, just hold on a minute.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, I couldn't hear that.
He's requesting a jury trial. And that date is August the 2nd. Okay, the trial is set for August the 2nd. Mr. Brannick, you could get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to leave. And Mr. Landry, get your reset from your attorney. You'll be free to leave as well. Mr. Landry, you have a blessed day. Mr. Brannick, you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Okay. We have two cases. One case. Well, would you call Mr. Both of Mr. Willis' clients? You got Terrence and Martinez. Okay. Are you okay? But just you can just have a seat and do the plea papers and we'll bring you back up when you're ready. Now let's call his next client. On the record in cause number 328772. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Philemon Martinez. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Martinez?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Willard Hall. Mr. Hall, how are you doing?
Good, good.
Mr. Hall, you like to make an announcement in Mr. Martinez case?
Yes, sir. This is a fairly new case for us. I think it's right. So I think everything's trickling in that we need on its case. So we'd like to ask for 60 days. Hopefully we can resolve it.
Okay. Okay, it's gonna be reset to 7:21. Mr. Hall, you can get your reset. Once you get your reset, Mr. Martinez, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Okay, would you, Mr. Bailiff, would you go get your Sheikah Charles? Your Sheikah Charles, why don't you go get her? She's in the hall. We on the record in cause number 327952. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Yashika Rito Charles. Is that your full name?
Yes,
How you doing, Ms. Charles?
I'm okay.
That's good. Ms. Charles, your attorney, Mr. Terrence Allison, is appearing via Zoom.
Yes.
Mr. Allison, how are you doing?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you, Judge, for asking.
Okay, Mr. Allison, do you have an announcement that you would like to make in
Yes.
Mrs. Charles' case?
Yes, Judge, Ms. Charles would like to enter a plea of not guilty and be placed on the trial docket.
Okay, just hold on for your reset.
Thank you.
It's August the 2nd. Okay, the case is going to be reset, Mr. Allison's to August the 2nd.
Yes, okay.
Once you get we will send you your reset, and we will give Miss Charles her reset in court. Ms.
Thank
Charles,
you.
you can step over there on the X. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day.
Thank you.
And you're welcome. And Mr. Allison, I think this is your only case. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
Okay, you're excused and you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you.
Okay. Let's see, we have, I see, Mr. Freeman. Mr. Antoine Freeman. Okay,
I'm sorry, Young. Yes, sir. How are you this morning?
doing all right. I was looking, I don't see your name on either one of our dockets.
And Judge, I really don't think I'm on here. My client thought he was on here today. Philip Randall Holmes, and now that I'm looking at the folder, we're not on here today.
No.
He told me he was, and I thought maybe I made a mistake or something and didn't put him on my calendar, but I don't.
Antoine, he's
Yes.
on Friday's docket.
Yeah, I'm looking at it now. Yes.
Okay.
Did he show up in person today?
I don't see him. He might have just told me to show up, and of course I did, thinking that.
We didn't call he wasn't on the docket, so we didn't call his name. We can call his name. Just hold on a minute. Just Mr. Bailey, you say Philip Holmes? Is that correct?
Yeah, Judge, he's sending me a text now saying it is on the 14th. I
Oh,
talked to him yesterday. I guess he was
okay,
mistaken, and I just took him at his word and showed up for the Zoom meeting. But
Okay.
it is on the 14th, so
okay.
I can kind of wish y'all a good day and get out of here.
All right, thanks for visiting with us.
Have a good one, Your Honor.
All right. You have a blessed day. Okay, now we're on the record. Let's see. Mr. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Mr. Barrington, I don't think your client,
He's on Zoom, Your Honor.
Stephen Martin?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay, I just see, it says AA Ron.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
That's what my tag. I forgot to check. Martin.
Okay. All right, we're on the record in cause number 324772. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Stephen Aaron Martin.
Yes,
We have
Your Honor.
Mr. Martin appearing via Zoom. Mr. Martin, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you, sir?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And
Thank you.
Mr. Martin, you're here represented by Attorney Dallas Barrington. Attorney Barrington, how are you doing?
Fine, Your Honor. He said, how are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for
Great.
asking. Now, Mr. Barrington, do you have an announcement that you would like to make in Mr. Martin's case?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. We'd ask this case be set on a jury trial docket.
Okay, just hold on a minute for your trial date. August the 2nd.
Okay.
Okay, it's going to be reset to August 2nd for trial. Mr. Barrington, we will send you a copy of, notice of the trial date. And Mr. Martin, stay in contact with your attorney.
Yes, sir.
This will, your trial date is August the 2nd of 2021. This will conclude your case. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you,
Mr.
sir.
And Mr. Barrington, you're free to go as well and you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you, Judge. Always good to see you.
All right, nice seeing you too.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, that one. Okay, Paget is not here. Turk LeBlanc. We don't have Don Lee Smith. Okay. Actually, the trial docket is not till 10. But I see Mr. Mayo. Mr. Mayo, trial docket is not till 10, but if you want to come forward and make your announcement now, we
My
can.
client's here, I'm sorry, we're here early. I had something at 10 o'clock. so
Okay.
we're early.
Um,
Mr. Talbot, my client's
Okay,
here.
we on the record in cause number 323278. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Ronald Kent Tyler. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Tyler?
I'm doing fine. How about you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Mayo, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Mayo, you have an announcement you would like to make in this?
Well, we're ready
Okay.
for trial, but my understanding is. we're
Yeah,
going to
yeah,
trial.
this is not one of our trial weeks.
Right.
So,
Okay.
because we had to
I
get them.
understand.
yeah.
We're fine with that.
Okay, okay, so we're gonna, hold on a minute, we'll get you a reset date.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
August the 2nd? Okay, it's gonna be reset to August the 2nd. Mr. Mayo, you can get your reset, and Mr. Ronald Taylor, you can get your reset from your attorney. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. And this is your only case, Mr. Mayo.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Once you get your reset, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
You're welcome. Mr. let's see. Yes, attorney. Okay,
Thank you.
we'll be in recess.